Today I will tell you how to use TikTok Shop. I will tell you everything in a good way. I am also working in this way. I am earning 1K and 2K daily. How to use TikTok Shop for e-commerce. Becoming a TikTok seller. Tips to grow your business, ready to turn your TikTok obsession into cold, hard cash. You're in luck. TikTok Shop is taking the e-commerce world by storm, and it's time for you to hop on board. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just dipping your toes into the online marketplace, TikTok has the tools to skyrocket your business. From shoppable links to product tags, this platform is practically begging you to showcase your awesome products. But hold up, before you start raking in those sales, there are a few tricks of the trade you'll want to know. Stick around, and we'll spill the tea on how to become a TikTok selling sensation. How to set up your TikTok Shop account ready to start selling on TikTok. It's easier than you think. First things first, you'll need a TikTok business account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. Just head to your profile settings and make the switch. Once that's done, it's time to link your online TikTok store. Connecting your shop, navigate to the TikTok Shop seller section and follow the prompts to connect your existing e-commerce platform. Whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or another popular option, TikTok got you covered. Setting up your product catalog. Now for the fun part, adding your products. Upload clear images, write catchy descriptions, and set your prices. Don't forget to organize everything into categories to make browsing a breeze for your future customers. Remember, a well-organized shop is key to success on TikTok. Happy selling. Creating engaging content to promote your products on TikTok. Ready to make your products shine on TikTok. Let's dive in. First up, authenticity is key. Don't just sell, show your personality, and have fun with it. Your audience can smell a hard sell from a mile away, so keep it real. Try these content ideas to grab attention. Behind-the-scenes peeks at your process, quick tutorials, or demos of your products, duets, or challenges featuring your items. Remember, TikTok loves trends. Jump on popular sounds or challenges, but give them your twist. And don't forget to use those hashtags. They're your ticket to discoverability. Lastly, engage with your viewers. Respond to comments and make them feel part of your brand's journey. The more connected they feel, the more likely they are to hit that buy button. TikTok Shop seller tips. Leveraging features like shoppable links, challenges, and more, ready to take your TikTok selling game to the next level. Here's how you can make the most of the platform's awesome features. Shoppable links and product tags. First things first, make those product links shoppable. It's super easy to add clickable tags to your videos, letting viewers shop your products without ever leaving the TikTok Shop app. Talk about convenience. Challenges and trends. Jump on those viral challenges, folks. Creating content around trending hashtags is a surefire way to boost your visibility. Plus, it's a fun way to show off your products in action. Who knows, you might even start your challenge. Collaborate and conquer. Don't be shy. Team up with other creators or influencers in your niche. Collaborations can expose your products to whole new audiences. Just make sure to pick partners whose values align with your brand. It's all about authenticity. How to sell on TikTok Shops in 2024. A beginner's guide, ready to dive into the world of TikTok Shops. Here's your crash course. First things first, set up a TikTok business account and link it to your online store. It's easier than you think. Now, let's get some shoes. Use those nifty shoppable product links and tags to make your content buyable. And don't forget about in-feed ads. They're your new best friend. Here's the secret sauce: authenticity. Create content that's uniquely you and shows off your products in action. Why not team up with influencers or jump on trending challenges? It's a great way to boost your visibility. Lastly, keep an eye on those analytics. They're like ups for your TikTok Shop journey, helping you fine-tune your strategy and crush those sales goals. Becoming a TikTok seller center. Tips to grow your business, ready to skyrocket your e-commerce game on TikTok. Let's dive in. First things first, set up that TikTok business account and link it to your online store. If it's a breeze, trust me. Now, here's where the fun begins. Sprinkle those shoppable product links and tags all over your content like confetti. And don't forget about in-feed ads. They're your new best friend. Create content that pops. Time to unleash your creativity. Craft authentic, engaging content that shows off your products in all their glory. Think outside the box. Maybe a fun unboxing video or a quirky product demo. The sky's the limit. Collab and conquer. Team up with influencers or jump on trending challenges. It's like hitching a ride on the TikTok Express to viral town. Keep an eye on those analytics, though. They're your secret weapon for fine-tuning your TikTok Shop coupon strategy. Now go out there and conquer the TikTok world. TikTok Shop success Marketing your products like an influencer. Want to sell like a pro on TikTok Shop? Discount code. Channel your inner influencer. Start by creating authentic, engaging content that showcases your products in action. Don't just sell, tell a story. Use trending sounds, take part in challenges, and sprinkle in some humor. Remember, you're not just a seller, you're a content creator now. Collaborate with other TikTokers to expand your reach. Cross-promote, do duets or even host live TikTok shopping events together. And don't forget to use those nifty product tags and links in your videos. Make it easy for viewers to shop your looks or gadgets with just a tap. Consistency is key, so post regularly and interact with your followers. Soon enough, you'll be rocking TikTok Shop us like a true influencer. TikTok Shop's made simple. Setting up your e-commerce store ready to dive into the world of TikTok Shop. It's easier than you think. First things first, create a TikTok business account and link it to your online store. Now you're ready to roll. Showcase your products. Get creative with TikTok's cool features. Use shoppable product links and tags to make your items pop. Don't forget to sprinkle in some in-feed ads to catch more eyes. Get noticed. Here's the secret sauce. Authentic content is king. Show off your products in fun, engaging ways that'll make viewers stop scrolling. Team up with influencers or jump on trending challenges to boost your visibility. Keep an eye on your analytics to see what's working and tweak your strategy as you go. Before you know it, you'll be a TikTok Shop pro. Conclusion. So, there you have it, your roadmap to TikTok Shop success. Remember, becoming a TikTok seller center isn't just about pushing products. It's about creating a vibe that resonates with your audience. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine through in your content. The beauty of TikTok is its authenticity, so embrace the quirks that make your brand unique. Keep experimenting, stay on top of trends, and most importantly, have fun with it. Who knows? Your next viral video could be the one that takes your business to the next level. Now go forth and conquer the TikTok Shop dropship world. Your future customers are waiting.